Welcome to Grazin, boys.
Today we're going to be doing a equipment tour of the machines and attachments of the farm. You got some stuff there in your hair there, bud. That's perfect. It matches your dirt bike and your helmet.
FC 283TG mower. And then
over here we got the good old John Deere.
John Deere Moco. Hold on, let me see.
With some grass growing on top.
John Deere Moco. Okay, there's Zilla. 926. John Deere Moco 926.
Okay.
Some nice tires there.
Oh, nice tires.
And
a little dirty. It's a little
dirty.
wash.
And
okay, next thing, we got the nice Kuhn tedder there.
over here we got a nice Kubota.
Oh, Kubota, not Kuhn.
TE4552T.
Tedder. And we got, oh hey Zola. Zola.
We got a little dog over here. Oh, she's a little scared cat. And then over here we got the load trail.
Oh, we got the load trail here.
That's if you
It's a little dented.
Oh,
It's a little dented.
if you hop up here and you'll see you go over here, we
Oh, it's I don't think it's supposed to be like that.
and that's not factory, not at all.
Nope.
That's supposed to be like that. Well, not even like that. It's supposed to be like this and this.
Yep.
That bend is not factory.
Okay, I think we're gonna move on now.
Okay.
Next, we got the nice
Hay haul.
hay hauler.
Check lugs in the air before towing. That's most apparently.
Easy haul hay hauler. Oh, easy haul hay hauler. Okay, next we got the casual fishing boat here.
The
case you wanna
Tractor
slack off at work.
148
In case you want to slack off at work, we got this boat
with
we
a
got
Mercury mower.
motor.
And then we got
this
the
trailer.
dirt bike trailer. And
It's for if we want to steal some dirt bikes.
yeah,
If
totally.
we're driving down the road and we see some nice dirt bikes, we want
And
to
then
steal
over
them.
here we got a nice push spreader with low tires.
Oh, yep. A little low.
Maybe not these ones. On the other side there.
Yep, other side.
And it's probably from 1628. We got a little bit of
Low tires. And in case you're hearing gunshots in the background, that's his dad.
yes.
His channel is called 68 Whiskey. Go subscribe to him.
And then we got the good old
Got the
John Deere
bucket.
bucket that's very heavy. And then this is OSHA approved here.
Yep.
Um,
it is. And then we're gonna move over here.
to the brush hog,
Got brush hog here.
the John Deere, oh I forget.
That needs a little cleaning.
John
Deere
Deere
MX-10.
MX-10. These wheels, you probably want some new ones of these. I wouldn't be near that. Let's walk over here and show how OSHA approved. Yeah, that's very OSHA approved.
Yep.
Bare shaft.
Yep.
Let's see here. That's OSHA approved.
And we got some nice yummy weeds here.
Yeah, we got some grass growing.
Up there, we got the chickens.
The chick back.
We got
And
four.
you wanna show us?
We got 4 hen houses, and those are for our egg layers. And up there, we got the boss's house. She's a nice
And
lady
if
though. Next, we're gonna move over to the dirt bikes.
And then we gotta do
Hi,
the
Zola.
Oh, she's scared of you.
playful.
Yeah.
Next
And then
we
we got the good old 80cc race bike and the good old helmet.
Oh yeah.
That's just from today.
Next we got
The
the
Yamaha 225
225
with the $300 helmet and a choke that's always needed. The key, electric start.
Yes.
Electric kill switch.
Over there, we got the 51. Nice Chevy there.
And then we gotta check out the, I forget what model that John Deere is.
Then we got the baling tractor. I think that's our newest tractor. It's a John Deere 6715.
And then, don't worry, this is all OSHA approved.
Yep.
Then
we got the lawnmower.
We got the very, very OSHA approved not starting lawnmower.
Yeah, listen to this thing.
It's a little cold for this thing anyway.
Yeah.
OSHA approved. The lights totally work.
The lights work, but it don't start. So that's good.
Barrel mini power steering. You can get stuff a lot with this. This is the very, very, very OSHA approved barn.
Yes, it is.
And then here's
And
our
we got,
hoe.
and we got the generator.
The
For
generator.
if we get a bad storm or something, we hook it up to the tractor, PTO, and it runs everything. It's perfect.
So here we got the John Deere 325 skid steer with, come on down in here. You got the auto unlock and lock. And
catch. With the auger.
with the auger, and then there's the bucket.
Yeah, there's the bucket for it.
And then up in this very OSHA approved cab with this butthole pushing you. We got no windshield because
Oh, no windshield. That sucks.
because someone
Not
naming
me
any
though.
names.
Not me.
Not me. And then yeah, it does that. You got the lights, windshield wiper, the quick attach and whatnot, and then you got whatnot, and then you got heating.
You got the windshield wiper that there's no windshield, so I don't think that works.
Wait, that actually,
Yeah, that's the windshield wiper.
and then we got the good old throttle here. You got the side windows, and you got the good old unlock park.
Okay, so I think we're gonna move on to the shop now. It's a little dirty, so don't mind the clutter.
Show them all the broken stuff too.
Yep, we gotta show the broken stuff. We got this nice, what's it called?
Wood stove.
Wood stove that
And we
heats
got
the
a nice
distillery.
wooden beam. And then we got the good old parts.
Oh, we got the parts tedder here.
Yeah, and then
And we got our project
yes,
gator, 4x4 gator. They don't run though.
but we're gonna make it
Maybe.
eventually.
We'll get
And
there.
then we got the good old GMC.
We got the old GMC bale truck.
And then we got the attachments over there: bale spike, bucket,
Gas tanks. Those
Gas
are the most
tanks.
important.
and then we got the skid steer bale spike that actually works.
Then we got
The
the loader tractor here, 6430 with the pallet forks. And we got the farm truck.
F250 XL Super Duty. And there's the farm
With the Grazin
business
sign.
with a front plow.
And we got to, it's a little unaligned here. It's just a little unaligned. And then we got a diesel fuel tank.
Wait, what are you talking about?
It's a little unaligned.
Yeah, on the line to there, and then
We got a
diesel tank, spare
F350.
tire.
We got a Ford F350 that's just like that, but worse. Here we
Yeah.
are at the shop. See, it's a little dirty. It's a little dirty in here.
If we come on over here, we got,
We got
John
the
Deere
small bucket
5420 with a loader tractor. This is a feed tractor.
Bale
Then,
spikes. Moving on, we got the Honda 4 tracks.
it needs to be worked on
Oh yeah.
because Franny broke it.
Yeah,
And then we got
Franny's our nice guy that likes to break stuff.
We got a Honda 150, a Honda 230. These both need work.
This is my bike. Oh yeah, there's the muffler for the 230.
And then over here we got the Commander 6 wheel horse unidrive. And then over here we got a weed whacker, chainsaw, and that thingamabobber. And this needs to be cleaned up very good. And come over here, we got the torch.
Then we got over here we got all the barrels for the bourbon and all the alcohol.
And then we got empty gas tanks for the dirt bike, so we're running 85 now.
Here's
and then
toolbox. Another toolbox.
And if we come over here, we have the grade. This is OSHA approved, very heavy welding
That's
table.
because it's welded to the ground.
No, it's not.
Or it's bolted to the ground.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It just sits on the ground.
Oh, well, whatever.
And then we got the blast furnace, I think. We got the good old power washer with no hose.
Okay, I think we're gonna move on now. Over here, we got the second door to the distillery. I don't think we can go in there right now, but see, there's some stills in there.
Looks very messy right now.
It's a little messy. It's just like the shop, kinda.
Kind of, but not the floor.
That's where they make all the
whiskey and bourbon,
whiskey and bourbon and vodka.
and gin.
Buy some. So that'll end it for the Grazin Boys farm equipment tour. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and subscribe to 68 Whiskey. He'll really appreciate it.